Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 25th to 29th May 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.13% negative move, 1.16010 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, I will be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle with a small body and a medium lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 52-59 level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart currently. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So as you can see, some important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. I have done some changes on the given levels, so you can do these changes as well on your chart, so that you don't miss any support and resistance zone that I already given. So now let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.16010 is the closing here. The direct support is 1.15956. Direct resistance is 1.16208. After direct support, there is a support of 1.15706 and then 1.15455. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.16457 and then 1.16827. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which you have already given, and these will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So you can mark these levels. So if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared platform links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I also given discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can check the link in the description. If you think these platforms has very strict rules and you don't want to follow them or you can't follow them, then you can also open your own broker account and you can fund your own Forex account, which is GTC FX. I already given the broker link of GTC FX link already in the description. You can use that link and you can open your account from there. If you have any problem or trouble while depositing or withdrawing any amount, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Also, if you're interested in joining a premium membership, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the details on how you can be added to a premium membership, which is absolutely free. So now let's talk about my opinion in Euro USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive momentum in this range, that is 1.16208 to 1.16457. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range, but if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.5956 or the direct support gets breached and a 4-hour or 1-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this momentum as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range. Once we get a good volume, we can expect a positive momentum in this range as well, but we have to wait for a candle closing above resistance as well. So overall, my expectation is positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.